Hey guys, what's up? Arvin here. Today in this video, I'm going to show you what happened when I tried Dito SIM card in my PLDT Smart LTE evolution that I have already unlocked. Okay, so watch this video. Okay, so sasabihin ko na diretso, hindi ko siya nagamit. I mean, na-unlock ko na siya. The same process nung ginawa yung pinost ko na video dito sa nakaraan. So na-unlock ko siya, nagagamit ko yung GOMO dito ng maayos, nagagamit ko yung ibang SIM dito ng maayos, but the only SIM card that is not working here properly is the Dito SIM card. And don't get me wrong, actually may mga comments and may mga comments na or nag-testify na nagsabi na yung Dito is working properly sa kanilang PLDT Home Smart LTE Evolution FX-ID3, which is the same exact model nitong ginagamit ko ngayon. Well, the only difference, ito may antenna. I made a simple modification or hack, which is I also posted dito sa aking channel. If you haven't watched it, please check my channel, the other videos na pinost ko kung paano to minodify or i-hinak. Okay? And pinagtataka ko kasi dun sa dito sa unit na to, the SIM card or most of the SIM cards na ginagamit ko dito, at tinest ko, it's working, it's connecting through the internet, I'm getting a good signal, like yung GOMO, lalo na yung GOMO, nagagamit ko siya dito without any problem. May disconnection issues lang, maybe because it is medyo mahina nga doon sa area namin, kaya naisipan kong lagyan ng external antenna ito. Pero for some reason, gumagana ang Dito SIM card sa aking cellphone at dito sa aking pocket wifi, and I am getting a very good speed na mas mabilis sa GOMO SIM card. I am not sure, it has something to do with the serial number ng board ko. Okay, so ito yung picture nun. Okay, I'm not forcing anyone or everyone to check yung motherboard nila, but I would be happy to see or to know kung ano yung, especially do sa mga nakapag-test na or nakapag-try na ng Dito SIM card sa unlock na PLDT FX-ID3, for them to check or perhaps share yung picture ng board for me to know, kasi I have tried all the possible APN settings ng Dito, even the channel mode, pati nga pag-upgrade or update ng firmware, ginawa ko rin, but for some reason still not working. So na rule out ko na hindi location kasi it is working sa aking pocket wifi at saka sa aking mobile phone, and I'm getting a very good signal like I have mentioned earlier. So for some reason dito hindi siya gumagana, but the GOMO SIM card is working properly. Just changing the APN, or yun nga, baguhin ko lang yung APN or using the APN ng Globe or ng GOMO, it's working. But dito it's not working. Ngayon nga, right now dito nakalagay din is yung GOMO. I mean yung dito kasi like I have suggested from my previous video, it's mas maganda na bumili ka ng Dito kung gusto mo na mabilis na internet connection. Mabilis talaga siya, promise. But I would also suggest for you to buy the GOMO SIM card, load it up, bilan nyo ng loader, put a load on it, and then keep it for future use in case of emergency. Very handy si GOMO pagdating sa ganun. But the speed, it's up to 5 Mbps lang. What do you expect? But yun nga lang, hindi siya na-expired. Okay, so pag niloadan mo ngayon, gamitin mo anytime in the future pagka medyo halimbawa na nasa isang area ka, ganun. Okay, so yun, but don't worry, I'm still trying what I can do para mapagana ko si Dito. but I'm guessing it can be signal. I'm not quite sure kung ano yun. Like I mentioned, na-rule out ko na yung signal kasi it's working on my two devices, sa cellphone at saka sa aking pocket wifi. Now, if you have any other suggestions, comments, especially do sa mga nakakagamit ng dito sa PLDT evolution ng FXID3, I would highly suggest for you to comment down at the comment section kung ano yung mga settings nyo na ginawa, and it may help yung iba rin na merong same model, same unit na nag-try ng GOMO, nag-try ng dito pero hindi gumana. Okay? So don't worry, I'm still working on this one, and my apologies kasi I've been mentioning from my previous videos that I'm going to tell you yung aking experience or ano yung pag ginamit mo si dito SIM card dito, because when I tested it on my end, medyo napahiya ako sa sarili ko. I was expecting kasi nagagana because it is an unlocked. I was able to open line it, not using no more than a mobile phone, and I was very confident that I was able to use it. I'm going to test it kasi there are some who already did the process of what I did of unlocking, pero they were able to use the dito SIM card sa kanilang location. So I'm guessing it can be the board na difference kaya hindi siya gumana, but that is just my wild guess. I have never come across personally. I wanted to check the board or the serial number or what is exactly the difference between this one at saka sa mga board or sa mga FXID3 na gumagana rin. Okay, so ganda na lang muna, and like I promised, I'm still working on this one, and if I will be able to make this work on dito SIM card, don't worry, guarantee dyan, ipopost ko agad, i-video ko agad, and I am more than happy to share to everyone kung paano ko ginawa yan, kung gagawa ko na paraan. Okay, so there you have it. Okay, yan, pasensya na, ganda lang talaga eh. So there you have it. So ito na, shout out time, Josephine Sardon. Ayan na, shout out kita ulit. And by the way, Sir Mark, idol, sir, ayan, shout out din kita. Okay, so doon sa mga hindi pa nakaka-subscribe, gusto nyo na update tungkol dito sa aking project dito FXID3, okay, so subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon and click all. Don't forget to share. Okay, and see you all in my next video. Gamit natin ang dito SIM card, and my wife is calling. Hi.
I missed your call.
Yes.
What?
You missed me?
I'm sorry.
Really?
I'm sorry. You just
You're having dinner.
dinner.
Yeah, that's good to hear.